Zeitunians, and today in this video I'm going to be putting makeup on my mum. She has already primed up her face with this special face cream. Yep, and we have a
Need to protect it.
We have a new pretty roll. Very pretty. I really shouldn't be playing with it, but yeah. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, we're back, and I just made the foundation. See it? There it is. Let's actually turn the brush. Yep, and then what I'm going to do, first I'm going to start off with how I do it, I just add a lot of dots, yeah. And then I just start blending, just going to blend. So yeah, this may take a while if you're doing it on someone. But yeah, I've done this thousands of times, which is really good because I would sometimes take her makeup without her knowing. I love you. So yeah. You're all done. It kind of looks like more natural. Is what it should look like.
Down tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I forgot about. So if you guys remember like me, do the under eyes. Always do the under eyes.
Need to cover those bags.
Yeah, and then what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna fill in these brows. The brows. My brows.
And I'm happy to say they're natural.
These are natural, sadly.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, your brows. Oh, wow.
Oh.
I'm not used to her having makeup on. Well, I actually kind of am. Everywhere we go, always makeup.
A little bit. Not a lot.
Okay, then we're going to start with this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. And guess what? It's waterproof, so I kind of have to be careful with this, don't I? There we go, all done. Oh, Lord. And then whatever I do, yeah, I do like a lovely fade in, like in the corner, you guys will see. And so, yeah, I'll have to zoom you guys in, which will be right about, there we go. We're back. Teleportation, guys.
Wow.
So yeah, as I said, I'm going to do like a color shade. You'll see it. So yeah, we're going to open it over here.
This will be the most makeup I've worn in a long time.
Yep, and it's what I do. So yeah. First off, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with this lovely color right here. That one right there. It's very pretty. Close your eyes. So yeah, you're going to get that all over, but try not to get it in like the eye there. The crease, don't get it in the crease. And then what we're going to do the other eye. There. Then you're going to use the other end. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to go for your under eye. So you're going to have to look up for me. Thank you very much. Just doing that. Thank you. This is my lovely, lovely mum model, basically. There you go. And then what I'm going to do, you'll obviously want a makeup wipe. Oh, never mind, I got that. Let me go in the corner there. So yeah, I'm going to use a makeup wipe. Wipe off all the extra, both ends.
We're making use of what we've got at home.
Basically.
Yes.
Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this end there and put it on that white there. So like that. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for the inner there and add some.
Do I close or open?
I suggest you would close.
Close.
So, and then what you're going to do, you're going to kind of use your fingers and blend it in there so it gets that kind of shiny look. And then I'm going to get this minty green right there and put it on the crease, which is very good. Do be careful, 'cause sometimes you can mess up. No one really wants to mess up, don't they? No. There you go, you have the eyes and the eyebrows done. Basically
Oh, that was quick.
Yes, I know. I am very, very quick. And you're gonna have to get like a big brush for the blush. So you're gonna get
Brush for the blush.
You're gonna get this kind of like blush palette by Revlon. And so yeah, you're gonna get this brush there. Just pat it down for a bit. Then you're gonna go basically that. Even though you guys can't see it, there is blush there, don't worry. Let me just check this for a moment. Yep, so then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get maybe some contour up in here. Contour. Yep. But first, we're gonna have a little drink break. And we are back. Lovely hydration break. So yeah, like I said before, we are going to get some contour. Oh my gosh, I'm a rhyming genius. So yeah, what we're first gonna do is I'm using this from a brand that recently closed down.
Well, they didn't close down.
They did. They ran out of money.
No. In Australia and New Zealand, it's Avon.
Yep.
So like I said, we're just using what we have at home.
So even though I'm not really good with contouring, I can make the best out of it.
Yes, make my nose thinner, please. Give me those high cheekbones.
Ugh. Cheekbones these days. So yeah, and then what you're gonna do, I'm gonna sadly have to use my finger, so I'm gonna have to sacrifice my finger. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna blend it. People don't know. This is the best channel you guys watched. See, Mom, everyone will subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're so cool. So yeah, contour is done.
Mm.
Very good. So yeah, contour done. Now what we're going to do is, if you guys need more under eye coverage, you can use Garnier roll-on. That's what we're going to do, because I can still see your bags. How lovely. So look up. She looks amazing, doesn't she?
It's beautiful, darling. Beautiful.
I'm gonna sacrifice this lovely, lovely makeup brush. Yep. I am very good at what I do. You can tell I could be a true makeup artist. So yeah, very, very, very pretty. Last but not least, lip gloss. Oh, I'm amazing.
That fell on my toe.
Isn't that amazing? So yeah, you're gonna get any type of lip gloss. We're using this lovely shade of beige. Beigeish brown. That's it. And you smack your lips together. Basically. Oh my Lord, Mum, this is going on YouTube, remember?
I know.
So yeah, and just like that, we are all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe. Subscribe. Do it. Do it. I can see you not doing it. Do it. That's more like it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.